Welcome to AgriGadget Picks. Transform your yard into a professionally groomed landscape with smart mowing techniques, precision cutting, and consistent patterns that enhance curb appeal and overall lawn health. Best striping lawnmower options help you achieve clean lines, bold stripes, and smooth finishes, delivering impressive results for homeowners who value performance, durability, and visual impact. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Lawn Striping Lawn Mower. The Lawn Striping Lawn Mower attachment is designed for homeowners who want professional-grade lawn stripes without hiring a landscaper. Built to work with most 20 to 22-inch gas and battery walk-behind mowers, it offers impressive compatibility across major brands, making it a flexible upgrade for many setups. The 2024 update is especially useful as it includes all handlebar inserts right out of the box, allowing a secure fit now and adaptability if you change mower brands later. Installation is straightforward, letting you mow and stripe at the same time without disrupting normal mowing routines or bagging systems. What really stands out is the Generation 3 striping system, which bends grass blades after cutting to create bold, stadium-style patterns similar to golf courses and athletic fields. The roller can be removed in seconds while leaving the brackets in place, making maintenance and storage easy. For users focused on curb appeal and consistent results, this striping system delivers a polished, professional look with minimal effort. Number 2. Greenworks 22-inch Lawn Mower. The Greenworks 22-inch Lawn Mower striper attachment is a simple yet effective solution for creating clean, professional-looking lawn stripes. Designed specifically for compatibility with Greenworks 16 to 22-inch lawn mowers, it integrates smoothly without complicated adjustments. The roller gently presses grass in alternating directions, producing crisp patterns that noticeably enhance lawn appearance without stressing the turf. Installation and removal are quick, making it convenient for users who may not want a permanent attachment on their mower. Another advantage is its versatility, as it can be used with or without a rear bagger, maintaining normal mowing functionality. While dry sand must be added to the roller before use, this added weight significantly improves striping depth and definition. Overall, this striper is well suited for Greenworks mower owners who want an affordable, easy-to-use upgrade that adds visual impact to their lawn. It balances simplicity, performance, and reliability, making it a solid choice for residential lawn care.
Number 3. Suchtale Roller Lawn Mower. The Suchtale Roller Lawn Mower striping kit is built for users who want bold, eye-catching lawn stripes with minimal hassle. Designed as a DIY solution, it attaches easily to most push mowers and delivers a polished, ballpark-style finish that instantly boosts curb appeal. Its heavy-duty, all-metal construction sets it apart, offering superior durability compared to plastic alternatives. The 5.1-inch stainless steel roller provides deeper, more defined stripes while resisting rust and wear over time. A standout feature is the large filling port and included funnel, which make adding sand faster and cleaner than traditional designs. With a higher sand capacity than average rollers, it delivers stronger striping results that last longer between passes. The universal fit and adjustable connectors ensure secure attachment to a wide range of mower handle sizes. Overall, the Suchtale striping system combines durability, ease of use, and professional results, making it an excellent choice for homeowners serious about lawn aesthetics. Number 4. unrulysoul Toro Lawn Mower Striping System. The unrulysoul Toro Lawn Mower striping system is a practical replacement option for users seeking reliable and consistent lawn striping performance. Designed with universal compatibility in mind, it works with most walk-behind lawn mowers and serves as a direct alternative to Toro striping systems. Installation is simple, and the roller detaches easily for cleaning or compact storage, which is especially helpful for users with limited space. When filled with dry sand, the roller creates crisp, well-defined stripes that enhance lawn appearance and give a professionally maintained look. Its durable, weather-resistant construction ensures long-term use without interfering with mower operation or grass collection systems. This striper is suitable for residential lawns as well as sports fields and commercial landscapes, offering flexibility across different environments. Overall, the Unruly Soul striping system delivers dependable results, straightforward usability, and solid build quality, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve lawn presentation without complex installation.
Number 5. CLINK 21-inch Lawn Mower Striping Roller. The CLINK 21-inch Lawn Mower Striping Roller is specifically engineered for EGO 21-inch walk-behind mowers, ensuring a precise and secure fit across a wide range of compatible models. Its stainless steel roller, combined with internal bearings, allows for smooth, resistance-free rolling that creates clean, consistent stripes without damaging the lawn. The oil-sealed side protection is a thoughtful addition, preventing debris and moisture from entering the mechanism and extending overall product lifespan. Built from corrosion-resistant stainless steel, this roller is designed for long-term durability and reliable performance in various weather conditions. Installation is minimal and beginner-friendly, requiring no professional tools and only a few minutes to complete. Whether used in home yards, small parks, or commercial green spaces, the CLINK striping system performs consistently across different lawn sizes. It's an excellent choice for EGO mower owners who want a durable, low-maintenance solution for achieving sharp, professional-looking lawn stripes.
Choosing the right striping lawnmower can elevate your lawn's appearance and make every cut more satisfying. With the right balance of power, control, and design, you can enjoy lasting performance and eye-catching results. Invest wisely, maintain regularly, and let your lawn stand out season after season.